Hi Tarot Lovelies, it's Ethany and I have a unboxing video for you today. This is another Kickstarter deck that I just received, so it was good timing that it was after Tarot Summer School had finished. This is the Moon Power Tarot by Charlie Quintero. You've probably, if you've been watching any of my videos, I back a lot of Indiegogo, a lot of Kickstarter projects. I love supporting indie decks and I do love mainstream as well, but I do know the importance of helping indie and supporting indie decks. So this is the box. And then I got inside my little package, I got the star, and this is a lovely vinyl sticker. And that looks like Madonna in a inspired, there's a photo of this woman in a black and white movie with this you all know exactly, I'm probably projecting it in your minds, and then we have the moon, another sticker. So I'm going to go swap the cameras now. As usual, I'm going to go through the deck. This is another Kickstarter deck and we're going to go check out all of the cards and go through them and see our first impressions. Alrighty, so now we're going to look through the Moon Power Tarot by Charlie Quintero. And as I mentioned in my first video, the first part of this, I backed this on Kickstarter, and it comes with these lovely stickers, very Madonna. And the box is a lovely two-part box, cardboard box, which is nice. Which is nice to have because it protects everything. Okay. And then we have the guidebook, which is a little fold out. So we have keywords to each one of the cards. Okay. Now then, the laminate on this is a pretty standard gloss laminate. The cardstock is, say, 350, 330. It's not super thick. We have this beautiful gold gilding. And I haven't seen any unboxings of this yet. I was waiting to be able to do it myself. So this is definitely the first time I'm seeing most of this deck. I pretty much backed it without looking at all the artwork. I was like, I have to have this deck. So I'm very excited. The Fool. Very cool. The Magician. So rad. So as you can see, the deck is lightly bordered. I love that the titles are see-through, as in it's not cutting off the artwork, the High Priestess. I'm so glad I got this deck. I don't know how quickly this is going to go out of sale, but I love that I have this deck so hard. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. Yes, dance under that moon. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. Like very Matilda. I can identify with this quite a bit. There are days when I want to just stick my nose in a book and not come out. The Wheel of Fortune. Oh, Justice is a bad bitch. That looks so good. We have the Head and Heart in those scales. The Hanged Man. Death. So as you can see, some of the images are more traditional Rider-Waite-Smith inspired, like the Death card, for example, and other ones are very unique and different. Temperance. And I love that. It's like a little bit of tradition and a little bit of new. The Devil. Wears Prada. Wears that, what looks like a red eyeball dress. It's amazing. The Tower. The Star. God, that's so beautiful. The Moon, as we've seen in the stickers. The Sun. Judgment. The World. The Ace of Wands. This is like a Sailor Moon reference, right? Someone has to tell me. I used to watch Sailor Moon, but not to the point where I can recognize a lot of stuff on site, but it looks like a Sailor Moon reference. Her wand. So now we have the Minor Arcana, and this is kind of rad. So we have the symbol of the wands and then the Roman numeral for it, but there's no title. So that's that's pretty cool. So the Three of Wands being on her tongue. It's kind of like, where am I going to see the symbol? Four of Wands. That's really rad. Party. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Don't panic. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. And then when we get to the the court cards, we go back to having titles. Page of Wands. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. Knight of Wands. That is so rad. I want that costume. I want to wear it. I want to wear this too. Queen of Wands, very Maleficent, very badass looking. And the King of Wands. That's also awesome. B. And again, like my Bad Bitches Tarot, we have feminine figures in the court, the Ace of Pentacles. Now I understand that this artwork isn't going to be everyone's style, and for me, I would use this deck definitely for personal readings. I would use it with clients that I know would resonate with the artwork. I love this, look at that. Oh, that's everything. Three of Pentacles. I just love how that looks like a solar disc crown that you see on a lot of Egyptian deities. So yeah, I can see that I would work with this deck. Four of Pentacles. For my own and for certain clients, I would definitely put the knowledge that I know of the Rider-Waite-Smith, which is the system that I read with, on this. And then, as many of you know, that's the Five of Pentacles. I then have my intuitive and my clairvoyant stuff on top of that. And this would lead very lovely, like really nicely into working with that. Six of Pentacles, that is so rad. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles, another Don't Panic. Nine of Pentacles. The 10. It's awesome. Red Snake. Page of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles. Oh, the like sci-fi cards are giving me life. Now this is a bad witch. Queen of Pentacles. Yes. I want that outfit too. The King of Pentacles. If I could just have all the fashion from this deck, that would just be great. Ace of Cups. The Two of Cups. Wednesday Adam vibes there. The Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Oh, I love that. Even like down to little sad earrings and that tear. Oh, so good. So good. The Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. The Eight of Cups. Yep, they walk away pretty fast. Oh, so rad. Nine of Cups. The Ten of Cups. The Page. The Knight. So far the Knights are like just crushing it for me. The Queen of Cups. All those bottles and cups behind her. I love it. And the King of Cups. Love all the symbols. Okay, now we move to the swords. The Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. The Three of Swords. That's so gorgeous. I mean, the Three of Swords is never really a fun card, but it's a beautiful image. Four of Swords. A Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Oh, that's awesome. Seven of Swords. Like that mask, like hiding everything jagged and, oh, awesome. This one's awesome too. The Eight. And I love the Suit of Swords, one of my favorites. That is so cool. Pan's Labyrinth, Battle Royale, Logan's Run, American Beauty, Starship, Asteroids, Donkey Kong. Like you can actually read, you can actually read what's on there. And then there's Pac-Man. And then like, oh gosh, it's so rad. Hang in there. That has got to be, I think, one of my favorite cards in the whole. Isn't Six Sad World from Daria? Like, it's just everything. I'm so glad I got this deck. Oh my gosh, amazing. The 9. So we have the Page, the Knight, and the Princess of Power, Mofos, the Queen, beautiful, and the King, if I could pick it up, the King of Swords. This is such a rad deck. I'm really, really happy that I backed it. So I'm not sure if I showed you the back of the deck. So it's reversible. And it's very, very pretty. So I'm gonna give it a shuffle. Shuffles well. It is a little bit slidey, a little bit slippery, but I mean, I don't know, I just don't let that sort of stuff like deter me away from getting a deck. It is what it is, you know. Because one of the good things about that kind of laminate is that it fans really, really nicely. So we're going to see what we get here. She is the one called Sailor Moon. Gosh, I just saw Kimchi in the Work the World do her Sailor Moon thing and it was pretty cool. Okay, Ace of Wands. We have inspiration, power, and creation. So as I mentioned, you just do get the keywords. I'm really impressed with this deck. I love the artwork. I love the imagery and the symbolism found in it. I can't wait to work with it for myself and with clients. And I will pop a link below as to where you can support Charlie Quintero and the Moon Power Tarot. And as always, thank you for watching.